My dad had passed away when I was just 4 years old. So a single parent raising up two boys in Mumbai is not actually easy. We were short on finances. The major source of income at our home was my mom cooking food for probably bachelors and people, around. That's the only way my mom used to pay the bills, pay my education fee and everything. Yeah, that's how we survived. Started my journey playing PUBG Mobile, and I would always love India to be at the top.
The do's and don'ts of PUBG or something like that, I don't know. I still don't understand what he's doing. But that was fantastic.
I can set an example for this. They love me playing for India. I felt really proud that I was representing India.
Today is a Shraddh day. So जो भी मेरे पूर्वज लोग चले गए हैं अब इस संसार में नहीं है, तो उनको जो जो चीज़ें पसंद थी तो मैंने आज वो नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी वो हमारे हाथ का खाएंगे तो उनको अच्छा लगेगा.
My dad had passed away when I was just 4 years old. So a single parent raising up two boys in Mumbai is not actually easy. I believe that because sitting here, I know the amount of hardship she had to go through to raise us up.
My husband loves lady's finger. He loves this cauliflower. I mean, आज हम और नमन, हम लोग जो भी हैं आज उन लोगों के आशीर्वाद से हैं. आज वो लोग कोई भी नहीं है, लेकिन उनकी यादें और उनकी रिमेम्बरेंस हमारे माइंड में है और उनकी ब्लेसिंग्स हम लोग के ऊपर है.
We were short on finances. The major source of income at our home was my mom cooking food for probably bachelors and people, around. That's the only way my mom used to pay the bills, pay my education fee and everything. Yeah, that's how we survived. It actually cannot be expressed in words. That's all I can say. I mean, words cannot describe how I feel about my mom.
All going towards the center. सब लोग ऊपर जा रहे हैं.
My mom was very nervous when I first started this thing. There was a time when I was playing, she used to, shout at me and she used to yell at me and say, go back and study or, go back and sleep. But then now things are different. Now she's like, why are you wasting time sleeping? You should get back on streaming.
With how many kills?
I'm mortal small.
I did not know I would come back, but then there were, many factors. For example, there were so many teams in India now who have become very good at it. So it's going to be good challenging them now.
Mortal looking to try and shimmy his way in as well as the circle down, and it's Soul versus Orange Rock. They know exactly where he is. He knows exactly where they are, though. He goes out wide.
Nice shot! The back is against three. Here comes the push right now. He does go down just standing in the rock. And the headshot will finish him off.
We are adjusting and learning on to taking more kills and being more aggressive so that, by the time we get that chicken dinner, I'm pretty sure we're going to get around 10 to 15 kills.
Everybody said it's what they want. Got my feelings all in a knot. Don't you worry, dust the table off. Put the record on. You can come along. Cause it's all you want.